Hello, dear all. This is Anjali Taro, and I am making this dedicated video for all of those people who wants to purchase the course or workshop or healing sessions or my one-on-one sessions or personal readings. So I'm going to give you the details about those. First, let's start with the personal readings. Okay, you have to book a slot. In the personal reading sessions, we have one session where I'm going to take up to 5 questions, and I'm going to send you the unlisted video link of your reading of your questions within 7 to 8 days of the booking. Okay, that is a normal tarot reading consultation that you can have with me. Another one is tarot reading consultation within 24 hours, where I'm going to send you the answers of your 5 questions within the 24 hours of the booking. Okay, so the only difference is the time period, time of waiting. Okay, so for the 24 hours emergency reading, you can just mail me and ask me if I am available for that or not, because this is a platform where I will not be able to refund you guys. If the money comes to me, I will not be able to refund it by any means. Okay, so make your choice very, very wisely. One is where you have to wait for 7 to 8 days from the date of purchase, and including Saturdays and Sundays, business days. And one is within 24 hours. So in that, I don't calculate the Sundays or Saturdays. I will just do the reading according to the questions. Up to 5 questions I take in both the readings. Then we have tarot one-on-one video session. That is available for Indians only right now at this present moment. One-on-one session you can book. The link of all these 3 consultations is given in the description box. If you have any queries, you can mail us at the modernsanyasini@gmail.com. The previous email, tarotanjali.com, that's not working anymore. If you're going to mail there, maybe you are going to get a reply or not. But please keep in mind the updated email is the modernsanyasini@gmail.com. This is about the tarot consultations. Now the tarot consultation is open for foreigners as well, out of India people as well. Before, it was kind of difficult for me to take the readings from people outside India. Now it's like smooth. You guys can book your sessions according to your needs, according to your questions. And if you are not able to provide me the full questions in the description, while making the booking the video, you can mail me the questions. Okay, that is also a deal. Okay, the modernsanyasini@gmail.com. This is the email now. This is for the consultations. Second, I get a lot of questions regarding the tarot card reading course. Okay, so this is a pre-recorded course in English language where you have to go through 69 lectures, very well put through, very well made, and you are going to understand each and everything. It's simple, plain English language, pre-recorded course, live with lifetime validity. You are going to get certification as well when you are going to complete the course. Okay, and if you are going to have any queries, or if you're going to have any kind of troubles, you can mail me. I will answer you definitely whenever I'm going to get time. Your queries are going to be cleared. Okay, so this is for the tarot reading course. So it's a pre-recorded course in English language, 69 lectures. Queries will be resolved on the email itself, and it's with lifetime validity, and certification after the course is going to be completed. This is for the tarot reading course. Now coming to the Ho'oponopono Masterclass. It's a 1-hour masterclass where I'm going to teach you each and everything about Ho'oponopono. We are talking about Ho'oponopono here only, not a basic or advanced. The Ho'oponopono that you can use in every area of your life. Okay, that includes advanced script as well to heal any area of your life. We are talking about health, wealth, and money and relationships. These 4 areas. In that masterclass, it's approximately 1-hour masterclass, pre-recorded masterclass. Okay, you are going to enjoy that masterclass a lot, and you're going to get to know about Ho'oponopono a lot. Like, this is the best healing modality of the whole universe. I'm telling you guys, I can't say this enough to anybody. I am going to launch a book on Ho'oponopono. Each and everything about Ho'oponopono you're going to get in that book. Each and every of your life area of your life, maybe all problems of your life are going to be explained in that book, like how to heal those areas, every area. Now, last but not the least, we have the self love ebook. It's a PDF. It's a small booklet where I am going to teach you. It's a small booklet. Okay, you have to purchase it, and then you will be able to download it. You will be able to understand self love in detail, in more depth. Okay. Now, for one-on-one healing sessions, Ho'oponopono healing sessions, 4 sessions you have to book. It's like in 1 month, weekly one session with me, and you can book that session with me. A link is provided. Every link is provided in the description box. If you have any queries, if you have any problem related to the links or purchase, you can mail us on the modernsanyasini@gmail.com. If you are going through some kind of black magic or hexes or evil eye kind of problem, then also distance healing services are there for you guys. 30 days distance healing, the link is there. For Reiki healing, for 7 days, 7 chakras healing, and for having a stress free life, and getting more clarity and peace and calm in your life, Reiki healing 30 days distance healing is also there. So these are the services as of now that I am providing from my side as a healer, as a tarot card reader. And they are going to be by the end of this year, I am going to put Osho Zen Tarot in Hindi, the course Osho Zen Tarot in Hindi, and my Ho'oponopono book will be launched, and I guess diploma in inner child healing, that I am going to launch next year. Diploma in inner child healing, that is going to be a 4 months course. That's going to be a long journey, but I will start taking the pre-bookings in December itself. So that is going to be live classes and recorded session, and mixed blend of. I am going to make you a super talented, or super, what should I say? I'm just going to prepare you to be the best healer of the world, inner child healing plus Ho'oponopono healer. It's a mixed diploma, but these two things are going to be covered, and this is more than enough to heal each and every area of your life with ease and with peace. Anyways, we are going to talk about it when we are going to do it. As of now, these are the details of all the services that I'm providing. Again, if you have any queries, you can mail me on the modernsanyasini@gmail.com. So I am not personally replying to the mails. My team is, but if there will be any issue that my team will not be able to resolve, then I'm going to take over. Okay, from that time. Anyways, this is what I have for you guys. Hope this helps to make you guys understand what you guys have to go for, and God bless you. Namaste. And yes, you can follow me on the Modern Sannyasini. It's my Insta ID as well, the Modern Sannyasini. I will definitely put it in the description box as well, for healing tips and tricks, and you can know more about me on that Insta ID. And another channel that I have is the Modern Sannyasini itself. The Modern Sannyasini. Previously, the name was Heal with Anju. You can type Heal with Anju on YouTube. You will get my face there, and or the Modern Sannyasini on YouTube, because I changed the name recently only. Still, it's showing as Heal with Anju. Maybe it turned into the Modern Sannyasini now. Anyways, I'm going to put all the details in the description box itself about my Instagram, about my another channel. The healing channel is very, very important for those who are looking forward to be healers or to heal themselves properly, and then every other thing. Okay, so thank you so much. God bless you. Namaste. I'll see you soon, very, very soon. Bye bye.